Welcome to this channel. This is where we share everything concerning opportunities. And in order not to miss whatever we are doing, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's very important to us because this is how whatever we are doing reaches the larger audience. Many persons have been asking how do they evaluate their qualification to the UK standard. Yes, this video is for everyone who wants to evaluate their qualification. The essence of evaluating your qualification is that you can use it for job application. You can also use it for schooling, but you decide the service that you want and you choose from this agency. The name of the agency is ECCTIS. So just go to Google and type ECCTIS. I have it here. Then we'll see the first website here. It simply said ECCTIS is the agency responsible for managing UKNIC. UKNIC simply means the UK National Information Center, which they recognize as a global qualification and skills under the wider European Lisbon Recognition Convention. Once you are here, you click the website. Here you are. They have a lot of services that you can check out. You see the visas and nationality. They can evaluate your qualification and you can use it to apply for visa. You don't need to write English test, but this is for those with degree in their country. They also have service that you can evaluate your report and use it to pursue your higher education. For those who want to go for masters, PhDs, you can evaluate your international qualification to the UK standard and use it to do a lot of things. What we are going to do in this video is statements of comparability. So for those who are doing statements of comparability, just if you are from West Africa, you have the WAEC, you want to compare it to the O level in the UK, which they usually call GSCE. You can evaluate to that standard and use it to pursue whatever that you want to pursue. So here we are. Just click on register. That's how we start. It will ask you, are you registering as an individual or as an organization? As an individual. Already have an account, you click here. So if you want to register, you click. Just fill here, fill your title, your name, everything. You click register. I have an account already, so I'm just going to go click login here. So when you click login, you can see, are you looking to apply for or check the current status of these services provided by statements of comparability, UK qualification reference statement, early years service, membership services, and all that? You know what you are going to do before you come here. I'm going to do statement of comparability. So I'll just click here. You can see I have login details already saved. I just click sign in. So this website is going to take me to, if you have an account, it's going to bring you to this place and it will say start application. So for me here I am. You can see agreements. You need to scroll down from this box here. Once you scroll down, it's assumed that you have read everything. You can read everything here to understand the terms and conditions of what you are doing. Click accept. Declaration for permission of primary source verification checks. So I'm going to put my name here. Put your name the way you have it in your passport. That's your Nigeria passport, Ghana passport, Kenya passport, the way it appears in your passport. Please put your name, click accept. Then when you come here, you see, choose which service you need. UK qualification reference statement, early years. This is the one I want to do. It says a statement on comparability is a certificate that shows how international qualifications compare to UK education systems. The system gives overseas qualification contents when applying for jobs, studies and professional registration in the UK. This service is not refundable. Are you seeing applying for jobs? That is why I want to do statements of comparability. This will give you a background of what this particular qualification actually means. So I'm just going to select this service. The UK qualification reference statement. You can see a statement, a certificate that shows detailed information about qualifications awarded by a UK institution. Like if you did your top-up program or other studies and maybe you want to use it abroad. Abroad, I'm talking, you want to use Australia, New York, USA, Canada, and you are having two minds. You just need to come here. This ECCTIS, they are recognized worldwide. So, but this is the one I want to do because I want to evaluate my qualifications so I'll be able to apply for jobs in the UK. So I just select this service. You can see here, estimated 15 working days from when we receive all required documents and payment. So the amount is £69.60. You can check the exchange rate in your country. They also have 48-hour fast track. You can use this one if you need it urgently. You have 24-hour fast track. You can choose this one. I'm just going to choose the 15 working days. Like if you have applied for a job and they are asking the qualification and all that, you can do the 48 hours, 24 hours and give them. But this one, I'm taking it slowly. As you can see here, after you apply, we will review the qualifications you have submitted to us. You can include up to 4 qualifications for this service. GCSE that's the O level for anyone that studied secondary school in the UK. To compare your qualification, review your high school or secondary school qualification, provide tick boxes for English. This is what this particular service covers. You can take your time to read it. You click accept and continue. Here they'll say purpose of inquiry. I just click employment and job application. Save and continue. Please choose the option which best reflects the field. For this, I'm going for healthcare. So I'll just type healthcare and public services here. So save and continue. Here is a location of work. You can choose England, any national, UK. You can choose any country. You are not limited. National, the whole UK. Save and continue. Are you a registered refugee? No. If you are, please select yes. Tick yes. Save and continue. Phone number. Here, if you are using a number that is not a UK number, you just need to have the what do you call it, the code at the back of your number, so that they'll be able to reach out to you if they want to call you. So I'm just going to use a Nigeria number 34810 4735308. Then address line, I'm going to use let me say you can use your address. I'm using Lagos, so I'm using Ikorodu. I just put Ikorodu here. That's where I live. Put yours, Lagos. This is the postcode. Change to your country. Is your billing address the same as, well, I'm going to say no because I want to use an address in the UK for fast delivery. Because if you use international address, sometimes there may be story in the delivery of the hard copy. So I'm just going to put, but if you don't have, you can still use your own local address. But if you have someone who stays in the UK, it will be faster and easier for you to do. You can receive your report in due time. So that's why I'm using this international address. It's actually from my friend. So you can use your friend just to receive the hard copy. The person can scan and send to you instead of causing delay with international delivery and all those things. You just use someone who is there. So name of qualification. Name of your qualification. Name of my qualification is YEC. Here I'm going to put the West. Let me just go and copy it because I have it somewhere here. You can have yours. So country of the awarding institution, you put the country. Language is English. Date that you were awarded the qualification. WAEC is usually June. So that's what I'm going to have here. So I have it here, institution. This is, I've seen it, WAEC. So you will be asked to documents to upload. You click add. When you click add, transcript, you browse, put your WAEC certificate here, click upload. Final certificate, still use your WAEC and upload. Proof of change of name. Here you can skip it or you just upload your passport. Proof of ID, just put your passport here. Then you save. See, document completed. I'm going to add, if you are evaluating your WAEC only, you are done. You click save and continue. But me, I'm adding another qualification. So the name of the qualification is midwifery. So the name of the institution, I have it with me, college. So the country is Nigeria. Language, English. Date, you have your date 22nd 12/222. Show correct. Okay, I'll just save. So you have it here. So before you do this, ensure you have all the requirements. If you don't know the requirements, go and watch our previous video. You will see it there. I've uploaded the transcript. Final certificate, I have the certificate here. Upload this. If you skip proof of a name change, if you skip, to ask you to put why the reason. The current name, Okay, no change currently. If you add, see, further information may be required. So instead of just upload your passport. So when they see it, they'll know you're still using your same name. And I think that's what they need to review, because they need to ask, do you have a change of name? If you choose yes or no, they will pop up this thing for you to upload. So that's for them, it's for their service. So here we have it. You can add up to 4 qualifications. Like for here, we just have 1 and 2. I just added 2 qualifications. For those who have maybe nursing, you can also add your nursing. If you have midwifery, you can add midwifery. If you have mental health, you can add as much as you can. It's the same money. The fee will not change. It's the same £69.90. That is the same thing they will still charge you. So once you click save and continue, are you seeing it? 69.60 or £69.60. If you have your card, you just click. Boom. You put your card details, put the name, this thing will activate. You make your payment, and congratulations. Once they evaluate your qualification, usually within 15 working days, they will send you the soft copy, they will send the hard copy to the given address, and you have your qualification, your international qualification, evaluated to the UK standard for you to explore jobs. So any job for those with OND, HND, RN, RM, all the qualification that maybe through community healthcare station workers, any qualification or any studies you have within 3 years that gave you you can get transcript and certificate from, they can be evaluated. Your wire can be evaluated, and you can use all these certificates, statements of comparability, to apply for entry role, band 3 jobs that will invite you and give you visa sponsorship. That is how it is done. If you want to make your payments, a lot of people are having challenge of how to make international payment. We offer such service. We give you the exchange rate, and you also pay us our service charge. And I hope this video will help a lot of people. Please share. The more you share to people, the more we explore opportunities in a group, the more we succeed together. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.